Hi, Asia. Wynn here with Ringing's SEO and digital marketing. First of all, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to make this short custom video that Tony promised with tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all on your own and in return bring in better paying customers for the services you prefer the most and they are ready and able to purchase. So let's get on with it. So, of course, I love your website. The houses are just absolutely gorgeous and just very impressive. Now, unfortunately, that's not what impresses Google. To Google, content is king, first of all. So you want to have 1,500 words of content on any page that you're trying to be found on Google first. Or if sometimes your competition has more than that. And in that case, we would recommend going a little bit further than them. So another issue, another thing, an opportunity, let's call it opportunity, is that with the images, personally, I think that you should have a lot more images on your front, on your homepage. And one of the main reasons is not only are they attractive and eye-catching, but also within those words of content, they're just not the words on just the words on the page. They are also the way your images are saved. A lot of them are just saved a lot of times with letters and numbers. They went a step further and it has keywords right here, but they really need to be location specific. So luxury home builders, Columbus, Ohio. And that's all you would need under this image. And so if you do every image like that, then you get a whole lot more keywords on your home page, whatever home pages that you are doing. And you don't have to worry about it looking clumsy or stuffed full with SEO stuff. So let's go ahead and go talk about numbers. So this is Ahrefs. It's a program that I use, and it shows us more of the things that Google is seeing. So we have our backlink profile right here, and the UR is your power with Google, and the DR is your trust with Google. So your backlinks, you have quite a few backlinks, and if these were top-notch backlinks, then these numbers would be closer together. It's called the golden ratio, and the goal is to try and get them as close to the same or 1 point as you can. So if these backlinks were being found, you'd probably be showing up for more keywords and you would have more traffic right here. So let's go ahead and go look at your competition. Beautiful website. Although I do like yours more. They do have lots of images. I like the way that their page is laid out. There's more content. Let's go ahead and go look at their numbers really quickly, Asia. So as you can see, they have a lot of backlinks. But just as we were just talking about, if they were high quality backlinks, these numbers would be closer together. So you wouldn't need as many backlinks to be able to get the results that they're getting. Now, as you can see, there's a huge difference over here because I'm sure in their content that they have a lot more keywords and they're being found for those. They also have a blog, and that's why they have so many keywords. Now look at the amount of traffic that they're getting. 123,000. What if you're getting half or even a quarter of those visitors coming to your website instead of Me Homes? So the last thing that we're going to talk about tonight, Asia, is the Google Map Pack. And this is important because it is the first thing that people see after the advertisements. Now, the Google Map Pack is about 25 to 40% of the organic searches on Google, and it's shared between these top 3 right here. So let's go talk about how you get to the top of the Google Map Pack. The first thing is going to be citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number across different websites across the web. Whether it's going to be social media, Facebook and Instagram, or if it's going to be directories, Better Business Bureau. You can use any kind of directories, whether it's from real estate. I'm sure that you could probably get into like luxury home building magazines. I'm sure there's just all kinds of places you can get your name, address, and phone number. Now, another thing that's important are the images, and behind all the images on your Google My Business page, You also want to have those saved with the location-specific buyer intent keywords. And then last but not least, also try and geotag them, because then Google has no doubt that you're doing the services you say you're doing in the area that you say you're doing it. And it just makes you look more like an expert. Oh, also across all of your citation, the websites, please make sure that you have your name, address, and phone number correct and the same on each one of those. Very important. Now, also important are reviews. Try and get as many reviews as you possibly can. We do have ways to make that easier for you. The more 5-star reviews, of course, you have, the better. And if you do get any bad reports, make sure you go in there as soon as possible, same day if you can, and respond back to that negative review. Then, of course, you also have your business description here. You want to have as close to 750 words as you possibly can. You can use free websites like wordcounter.com to go ahead and tell you how many you have. It really lists out your services and what sets you apart from your competition. So Asia, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. It's been informative for you. You've gained a little bit of information. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to have some feedback on the video. So I really hope this video finds you well, and you have a great evening or afternoon. Bye-bye.